Okay. Take Sky. Sky, you want to go bye-bye? Want to go out? Sky, are you going? Why are you locking down? Sky, what's the matter? Go bye-bye. Go with Sean. Why are you locking? Sean, I thought you had to go bye-bye. Don't you want to go with Sean, Sky? What's the matter? Don't you want to go? Go with Sean. Go to Sean.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Sky, you gotta go bye-bye. Go outside. Sky, what's the matter? Sky. What's the matter, honey? Sky, you don't gotta go outside? Do you want to go? I think you need to go. She wants to go, but she don't want to leave me, I'm telling you.